Sadly, we had 1 week of Cooper Webb, and he'll be out again. From the Blue Crew official Star Racing Yamaha, both of them, co-posted this on Instagram saying, quote, Monster Energy, Yamaha Motor USA, Star Racing's Cooper Webb will sit out this weekend's Pro Motocross penultimate round at Budds Creek to focus on the returning to full fitness for the Super Motocross World Championship Finals. The multi-time champion sprained his thumb in a crash during Moto 2 at the Unadilla and really evaluate next weekend for Ironman. I'm going to say probably if he's going to sit out this weekend, he's probably more than likely going to sit out next weekend. You know, it is what it is. It sucks. He probably was full health, but all you need is one weird little crash, something to tweak that thumb, tweak that hand, just hurt it just enough, and he's out of the points for motocross. So why? Why race 1 or 2 rounds, especially if you're going to race one, miss one? Why race the next one? It doesn't make much sense for him. Just sit out the rest of them or the next 2 rounds. Heal up, train, whatever, take it easy, and then come back for SMX and be fine. If you're hurt this round enough that you're going to skip it, and then you come back for the next round, are you really going to be that healthy after 1 week? Or what's the point? I think so. For him, I think it'd be smart just to say, you know what, fine, I'm going to take this week off and then take next week off, and we're just going to come back for the playoffs and see where I fall there. And who knows? For me, it's smart. I think that would be the ideal situation. You're out of the points, just take it easy, take it smart, don't hurt yourself when you don't need to, and be smart about it. But I don't know, comments down below, you guys tell me, what do you think of this? Was it smart to come back this week? Do you think he was fully healed to come back this week? Do you think he should sit out next week too? Whatever it is, while you're comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.